Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Billy and I'm going to show you a quick and dirty way to take pictures on iRacing. So what I've done is I've loaded up a previous race that I participated in. I ended up winning the race. As you can tell, we were going 3 wide to the start finish line at Daytona. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of clip forward to see if I can get the sort of exact spot that I would like to get the picture. What I'm doing is I'm using the frame by frame button. And then I'm assuming that's probably close to the start finish line. What you're going to do now is go up to the options just to make sure your settings are set properly for the replay. We're going to go to the replay, motion blur, medium strength, and make sure all of these settings over here are checked. You can have the settings on the left side, whatever you'd like. Presumably you would like them to be as high as possible. So what you want to do now is press Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. And then you want to change your aim or position type to fixed. And then we're going to press Ctrl Z, and that way we'll be able to move freely around the track. Use your mouse, left click to move forward. Or you can use WASD, it's just significantly slower. Basically just point to wherever you want. So what I'm going to try to do is get a picture from up here, where the fans would see it. At the start finish. And press Ctrl Z, basically to let go of it. So over here on the right you have your static field of view. I want to zoom in, that's your camera zoom. You go in really close or you can zoom really far out. I'm going to do that, zoom close. I'm still pointed at the car. So if you hit the frame, it should automatically adjust. Which in my case, it's not. That's why the main focus was unchecked. So if you're to toggle that, obviously you can mess with the focus, where the focal point is. But we're going to go here. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit so I can capture all 3 cars. And then basically, so I have the shot sort of set up the way I want it, but I'm going to change the aim type to static so I can move the camera freely again. But I'm going to use the more precise controls here by clicking the Y axis. Basically changing where it's pointed. I'm going to use the P to change the angle. I'm going to rotate a little bit. And I think that would make a pretty decent picture. Even though it's blocking a good section of my car, you guys are basically getting the gist here. You can see the motion blur here. And what you want to do is hit the spacebar, hit print screen, and then open up photo editor. You can open Photoshop or Paint. I'll do Paint this time, just to show you guys it's possible. If you want to, you can just open up Paint, hit select, press Ctrl V. Oh, you can see my FPS count on the top left. And then you can obviously edit it and Paint, or you can use it and pull it into something else. You can crop it here. You guys can do whatever you wish. But here you would obviously go File, Save As, and then save the picture onto your hard drive. If you have Photoshop, you can edit it and go forward with it. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section below. I'll do my best to reach out and answer them for you. Thank you for watching. Have a great night.